you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified about latest videos on my channel. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you found it useful and don't forget to comment below with your queries.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, on the auspicious occasion of Ganesha Chaturthi, I will show you how you can also make your own Ganesha using clay. So first, you'll take potter's clay. I've got it from a local studio. You can also buy it online. Talcum powder, paper cutter, and a bowl of water. I'll first sprinkle some talcum powder on my working surface, and then I'll make small balls using the clay. There's nothing much to explain, you just need to follow the way I'm showing over here. First you make a base out of clay and then make 3 balls of 3 different sizes. Here I'm making the legs of Ganesha. You actually have to make the basic structure first and then add the detailing. There go the hands. And next comes the trunk. So this is it, the basic structure. And now we'll move on to the detailing. Dip your fingers in water and slowly merge the different portions of the clay structures into one whole, just like I am doing. You have to merge the different layers of the clay on the back side to make the statue strong, otherwise the pieces of the clay will come off. So now I add the ears. You see how I'm working out on the ears? The process is self-explanatory. I have actually fast-forwarded the video, otherwise it would have been a long, arduous and boring one. Be very careful while shaping out the ears. I have extended the trunk a little bit and now I'll add the 2 other hands at the back. You can see I'm adding 2 extra hands at the back. It's now time to add the modak on Ganesha's palm. Modak is Ganesha's favorite sweet, so I'm making that out of clay and placing it on his palm, as you can see over here. Next, I'll work on the base of the statue, the idol. I'll cut it out into a rough rectangular shape, like this. I'll texture it with a coir rope to give it a wooden finish, and I'll place the statue on that. After that, I'll dip a paintbrush in water and smooth out the irregularities on the surface of the statue, like this. Next I'll work on the tusks of Ganesha. So I'm adding a tusk over here like this and smoothing it out with paintbrush and water. Then I'll add the other tusk on the other side, just like this. Next I'm going for the rat. Ganesha's familiar, on which Ganesha rides. I'll add its tail and detail out its body and then smoothen it out with the paintbrush. I'll add its ear and its front leg. Now I'll add Ganesha's mukut or the headgear to complete the statue. This is how I go about it. After I'm done with all the detailing, I'll leave the statue out for drying. And this is how the statue has looked after getting dried out in the sun. I haven't colored it yet. Here I have applied a base coat of fabric color, a white base coat, and then the moment of revelation. This is how I have decorated my Ganesha.